Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this talk with series, I have invited Anup Krishnan, who is currently pursuing his PhD at Wichita State University in USA. So he was one of my close friends during my bachelor's at IIIT DM, and he is one of those guys who was helping me during my PhD application process at my university. So I hope this video will be very much useful and informative for the students who are aiming for PhD in USA or anywhere abroad. Video, let Anup introduce himself, his background, his personal life, his family, or like his journey. Anup, the floor is yours.
Hi, Adik. Thank you for inviting me over. So, hi, folks. I'm Anoop. So, right now, I'm pursuing my PhD at Wichita State University, Kansas, US. So, back in undergrad, Adik was in mechanical, I was in computer science. So, that's the only difference we had. We had
Yes.
attachments. So, I was doing dual degree back there. So, it's a 5-year program where BTech and MTech, we get both degree in 5 years. So, I did computer engineering in exact. Then there at the final year, I did a project on machine learning. That's basically computer vision project, which actually given me an interest to pursue PhD on computer vision. So right now I'm working on biometrics, computer vision application on biometrics, and my dissertation is on ethical AI, or otherwise you could call fair ML. So small introduction on that is these AI devices are not performing equally for everyone. So, I mean, when it comes to biometrics, so I'm working on how to rectify it and make a fair AI system. Uh, Talking about my personal life, I'm from Kerala. So, who are watching from Kerala, right? Fox, not all in Kerala, everyone. So, don't be in a small zone. So I'm from Kerala. So I got my family are all back in Kerala. I got a sister, father, all back there in Kerala. They're all safe from this COVID. I hope who are watching this are all safe during the pandemic. Stay safe, get vaccinated. Yeah. Then,
Yeah, I got
we can,
vaccinated 2 days back.
yeah, yeah, that's it. Even I got vaccinated as well. I got 2 doses. So hope things are getting back normal. Here it's almost normal life. So we are going back without. We are going out without mask. University has opened full fledged. Yeah. Hopefully it continues throughout the world.
So
I
you're
hope I
going.
answer the questions.
Yeah, yeah. So you're moving out without mask in the streets also, or in
Yeah,
university?
yeah, 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 everywhere, everywhere. You don't need mask anymore. If you're vaccinated with the 2 doses of whatever the vaccines, you're free to go without mask. So that's good actually. It feels good going out with showing your faces.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
That,
So
rather than hiding smiles.
actually, it's like boon and bane also.
Yeah,
Sometimes like you
yeah,
can
yeah.
hide your face. Okay.
Yeah, sometimes. But since I have a biometrics, I could recognize a person with eyes. I just kidding.
So your bachelor's was from IIIT and your dual degree, and
Yeah,
then your master's also completed in IIIT. Then
yeah.
right from IIIT you went to US, or where there was some gap, or like how was the duration there?
So, frankly speaking, PhD at US wasn't at my plan. It wasn't even my exit plan.
Okay.
So it just happened. So so we get so you also did dual degree, right?
Yes, 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 man.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Sorry. So So after, I think we graduated in July 2019. So,
Yes, yes.
yeah, so after that, I took a. It's not a break which I was intended, but happened, which it was good for me. So for me, I got a break for 6 months. So
Okay.
I was trying to get in different, not MNCs. I would say government sectors,
Okay.
not UPSC and all, technical stuff.
Hmm.
BRC, DRDO, ISRO, CDAC.
Hmm.
So I went to all these places for interviews. So
Hmm.
I think in the 6 months time, I covered major Indian sector spaces which has computer science in it involved.
Okay.
So it was a good experience. So then the actually so in the 6 months coming to US was actually, it was implanting there. So I got a mail from my current advisor. It was a common mail throughout the university, Triple ITDM, Kanjivaram. So it was a common mail, came through our one of our professor back in our university. I mean Triple ITDM. So she forwarded that mail to everyone. Her name is Dr. Marani. So yeah, thanks to Dr. Marani. She is the person who forwarded this mail. Yeah,
Yeah, I
so
guess during that time
I
we used to get these type of mails from our professors and all. I used to see. So
yeah.
yeah.
So I mailed my current advisor, that I'm interested. This is what my, because I was doing a computer vision project, so I know some things on it. I mean, I would say some things. So I convinced my advisor that I could do things. I mean, I could learn things, I could do things, and she said, "Yeah, let's do an interview." Kind of. It was a Skype interview, happened during that 6 months time. Sometime in that 6 months, I don't remember when it actually happened. So yeah, it was a small Skype casual talk, not a casual. It was kind of formal, informal talk about my project, about the college and all, about what I know. And after 2 months, she said, "Okay, send me your GRE and TOEFL scores."
Hmm.
I even didn't had any GRE or TOEFL score that time. I sent her a reply back, "Give me a month. I'll get back to you in a month." So I took a month to prepare, because I wasn't sure about what is GRE. I have seen people preparing for 6 months. You know better than me.
Yeah.
Even in mechanical, there are people who are preparing like 6 months for GRE and all. They
I
learn words by words every day, 10 words kind of. So so
I remember students giving this GRE in their last year.
yeah. I given only after what I got through. So that's
Okay.
the first. So I took a period of 1 month, which I needed because I wasn't knowing about all those things before. So yeah, I don't know, some grace I went through. I crossed the cutoff, and she said, "Yeah, you're well enough to come here." Thereby everything happened. Yeah, that's how everything happened in a 6 months span. So
Okay, I think
a
it's
six
like
months time, I
completely different from the students. Like some students will be very dedicated. They will be like they have to do PhD and they will be doing this GRE, IELTS, TOEFL in their final year.
yeah. I agree, but yeah, I was actually preparing for different things, not just DRE talk. I was prepared. So
Yeah, yeah.
when you do lot of things, something will
Hmm.
open up. Something
Yes,
great
yes,
will
yes,
open
yes.
up.
The
So
same thing applies in mine also. Like after my masters, so
yeah, we
I
were in the loop.
yes,
We
yes.
were in the loop. We were continuing.
Yes, I went for a job for 1 year. Then I was searching for PhD or something, something. But the thing is that you got a mail from them, but I was searching from my end. That's the only
Yeah,
difference. But
yeah,
the same thing
yeah,
applies to us.
yeah. We were in the loop, so we were discussing about all those things. So
Yes, 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 yes.
I was telling you these are the things I faced. So don't do all those
Man,
things.
you remember one night, I guess, you spoke with me at least 2 hours, I guess, regarding this application process and all. It was very helpful for me during that time. I was not knowing anyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I was not knowing what is this SOP, what is this reference letters. Yeah, yeah.
People who hear this SOP statement of purpose,
Yes, yes. So
that
I guess
you
you
need while
were
applying for PhD.
6 months earlier. You got admission 6 months earlier to me, I think.
Yeah, I came here on 2020 January.
You came there
I
2020
started on
January.
2020 January. Yeah.
Okay. No, no, I came here 2021 Feb. This
Yeah.
year.
1 year.
Yeah, 1 year.
I'm 1 year ahead
Yes, yes, yes,
because
yes.
it took pandemic situation for you as well. No, when I
Yes, yes,
came
yes.
here, I came with the pandemic. So
Hmm.
first I barely went to university for 2 months. After that, from March 4th, everything went to online. So,
Yeah, yeah. So, how's your work life there from like morning to evening? How we will be spending the time?
so I don't know. People, if you ask me, I'm a 9 to 5 person. I'm not. So if you rate me 9 to 5 person as a good PhD student, I'm not a good PhD student. So
No,
I
no,
work
no,
whenever
no
I.
PhD student will be from 9 to 5. I wake up at 11 o'clock or 10
Yeah,
o'clock. I go to lab. Then I stay till the time I
yeah,
have to work there.
yeah. So I'm more of like a night person. Uh,
Yeah.
Sometimes I still till 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Depends upon the what all I have. Depends upon my mood, all those things. So it varies, but work is going well so far. Uh, 3 publications are out. 4 publications are out.
Oh, good, yeah. In 1 year, for
Uh,
publication, it's a good amount. Yeah.
it's almost 1.5 years right now. So
Okay.
one publication we have submitted. We are waiting for the results. Uh, so when you talk about, since I'm a computer science student, conference papers are well good enough uh, to rate the research work. So we all published in IEEE transactions. That's a strict rule from our group. We only
Hmm.
publish in IEEE transaction conferences. We won't publish anywhere else. So it's good. We got a few publications there,
Hmm.
and right now I'm working on my first journal. Hopefully
Hmm.
things goes well. Research has started. So hopefully in a year, let's see how it goes.
Yes,
Fingers
yes,
crossed.
yes. So your area of interest is in biometric or like.
Metrics, yeah. So computer vision application on biometrics.
Okay. So can you explain in detail,
So
like, so for our
yeah,
viewers?
sure. So yeah, computer vision is basically involves machine learning, all those AI stuff. So AI stuff, which basically our data would be images, since image data. So we analyze the image data using all artificial neural networks, or when you comes to image domain, we call as convolutional neural networks, and we do a lot of what to say classification, regression process,
So like it will
and
be similar
we
to image processing or something like that.
image processing is just a pre-processing stage.
Okay.
So it's more over like so. I could give an example about uh, uh, facial recognition systems. So one of my work is on that. So you're gonna build a facial recognition system using AI.
Okay.
Since it involves face, it's a biometric thing. So
Yeah.
whatever our uh, data, the data from our body, it's biometric. It could include fingerprints. It could include facial images. It include eyes. Uh, Even gait. Gait is the way we walk.
Okay.
GAIT. So even that's the data where people do processing. So whatever human body data we have, that's a biometric data.
So like
I mean,
it's
whatever we
similar
could
to the
use for
thing
analyzing.
normally for phones and all. We'll be having face lock and all. It's like
Yeah,
similar to the
yeah,
technology.
yeah, yeah. Yeah. That's a facial verification technology.
Okay. See, I
That
am
verifies your
mechanical
face.
background. I am understanding some things from you. It's good.
Yeah. So we our all work involves deep learning. So deep learning is basically we use more state of the art. The state of the art uh, uh, AI machine learning models. So state of the art machine learning, we call it as deep learning. So it acts like how a brain simulates and give out a result. So we use all those neural networks.
Hmm.
It calls neural
So there
networks.
is course.
Uh, yeah, so neural networks for all those processes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's what my whole work in a glimpse.
So yeah, you said that are you allowed for staying in labs during night or like something like that? Like you said, you'll
Yeah,
be.
we have access to the building. So
Mm-hmm.
I saw it's all depends upon my mood. I have
Mm-hmm.
a office setup at my room as well. So
Mm-hmm.
I got remote access to my lab systems. So I feel working days. I mean Monday to Friday I go to lab. So
Okay.
Saturday usually I take a break during Saturday. I mean
Mm-hmm.
a
So,
day off from work, which is really important for PhD scholars.
yes, yes, yes,
I
yes,
mean
yes.
who is doing but this is what I believe. Okay, it depends upon from people to people. So yeah, again Sunday I have to do my remaining works, finish it off. Even that doesn't mean I won't work during Saturdays. Depends. I
Yes,
work
yes.
less on Saturdays.
It's the same case in
So
my case
yeah,
also.
yeah. Other than that, I go to lab every day.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
when I got a small car. So and it's important the place where I stay. We don't have a good public transportation systems,
Yes, 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 yes.
and it's always good to have a car here to go
Yes,
to
yes.
university or get a grocery store. So I have a small one.
Mm-hmm.
So that helps me to carry to my work at lab back home. That's how life is.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So there, how was your guide selection and all? Like, you got that
So
mail or directly or
that's what all. I got my guide. First I want
okay,
first I got my advisor. Later on I came to know my advisor is in this university.
okay,
So
okay.
that's what. So I didn't know about this. So usually people look for university and look for the uh, advisor. So for in my case, I got my advisor the first.
Mm-hmm.
Since she is working in Wichita State, yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
But that's
So
how it works.
during that time, they have explained you everything regarding stipend, fees, accommodation, everything.
Yeah, so accommodation it's not on an advisor. So you need to find. So it all depends upon place to place. I don't know how it worked for you. For me,
Mm.
US in US style, I could explain
Yes,
how
yes.
it works in US. So while you apply PSA, you have to make sure it's funded or not. Some universities they give for PhD students they give 100% fee waiver.
Yes, yes.
So don't just think PhD is only research. You'll be having some coursework as well. For the courseworks, you need to pay fee.
Yes,
So in
yes.
some universities, uh, and before saying that, US has three set of university:
Mm-hmm.
public, community, and private university. So
Okay.
I'm doing a PhD in a public university. I mean government-owned university. That's why state comes, Wichita State University.
Okay.
So it's controlled by Cancer Board. So
Mm-hmm.
that's what this all helps when it comes to funding all those things.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. But I'm just so whoever wants to come to US, I'm just making sure you touches all these points. Yeah. So she said I'll be getting TA. TA means teaching assistantship.
Yes, yes.
So according to my university rule, if you have a teaching assistantship, you'll be getting 75% of fee waiver,
Okay.
and you'll be getting a
Okay.
stipend amount,
Okay. Okay.
some amount, X amount.
Okay.
So 75% fee waiver depends upon the number of credits you take during uh, that whole season. I mean, season in the sense that year, semester
Semester.
year.
Okay.
That semester, not semester year, that semester.
Mm-hmm.
So that decides your fees. So in the first semester, I got a 75% of fee waiver. I got a stipend as well. So before coming to US, I searched in LinkedIn. So I would say LinkedIn would be the best place to. Even I told you
Yes, yes,
search in
yes, yes, yes,
LinkedIn
yes, yes,
to
yes.
link. You make use of LinkedIn properly. So LinkedIn is the best platform to search for. I mean, moreover, you can reliable. LinkedIn is reliable when it comes to profession
Yes,
and
yes.
academics.
Actually, after you
But
said
just
to me, I spoke with three, four guys who are doing here masters or like
yeah,
studying here
yeah.
at AES.
So
So I got like broader view, like how it works and all. Yeah.
So I use LinkedIn to just connected with people here doing PhD. So just got about where I got in about whereabouts of the place. So
Mm-hmm.
they help me in finding out the place to stay. So the first semester I stayed with couple of people who are from Bangalore, Gujarat and all. So I shared a room with one of my friends from Gujarat. Yeah, that's how for me, and they helped me to. So when you come, so I was pretty new to US culture. So there is something called cultural shock as well. So everyone will face that. So for me, I wasn't prepared for coming to US. Frankly speaking, it wasn't in my plan. It wasn't there in my plan. So me complete US was a shock.
Okay.
They helped me to sort out the things. Like you, you need to have a bank account here. You need to know how to transact the dollar. It's not the
Yes, yes,
rupee;
yes,
it's
yes.
a dollar. So you need to
Exchange.
know
You
how
need
to
to
use
do
the
money
money.
exchange. Yeah.
Yeah, you need to know how to use the money. I mean, how to wisely use the money. Don't just throw off the money. Each dollar is when you convert that to Indian rupees,
It's
it's
too
a,
high.
so
Yeah.
it's too high. But we won't be able to live all by converting money always. So and effectively, we have to use the money wisely. Otherwise,
Yes.
it's just rather than just. I mean, that's what PhD life is all about. Effectively use of money as yeah, they helped me to get through all these things. They helped me to get a credit card, helped me to
Mm-hmm.
build a credit score. You need a
Mm-hmm.
credit score in US. This is more important when you get an insurance under. So
Mm-hmm.
that's how things started for me. It was quietly smooth for me. Yeah, that's what my accommodation and my
Visa thing, is it included in your like a stipend or scholarship, or like they have included
no
everything?
what nothing visa fee nothing. It won't be included. All you get is a I-20. That's a document you get from the university to apply for. That means that document says you are accepted to this university for this program.
Okay, okay.
That's how, and that's how you go and apply for visa. And visa you
Mm-hmm.
get it. I got it for F1 visa.
Mm-hmm.
So with that I-20 document, it talks about whether you have a funding or not. Funding is
Mm-hmm.
basically they say he has given teaching assistantship,
Yes, yes.
and because of that there will be 75% of fee waiver. That means 75% is a huge amount,
Yes, yes, yes.
and they will also say he's getting a stipend, which for them means he's completely funded. I mean, for them means for the visa people, it's well
Mm.
enough for them to consider us fully funded.
Yes. So
Even though it is not fully funded,
for this teaching assistant, like how many courses you need to teach per semester and all?
it's 20 hours per week.
Yeah, same here.
So international students they could only work 20 hours per week. So I was having two courses when I was
Mm.
doing assistantship for two courses. After
Mm.
first semester, I got research assistantship,
Mm.
which was completely funded. So I
Okay.
just only wanted to pay my insurance, health insurance.
So right from your first semester, you are doing as teaching assistantship,
No, only first semester I did teaching assistantship.
then RA.
From from second semester, I have become research assistantship. I got
Mm.
that assistantship, which is
Okay.
completely funded.
Yes,
You
yes,
only
yes.
have to pay for you only have to pay for your health insurance, which is manageable.
I think this RA is better than TA, I guess. What do you say?
It dep- it depends upon the advisor as well. If the advisor got a good fund for you, if he or she can, whoever it is,
Mm-hmm.
they can fund your coursework as well. It's well good enough. It all
Uh,
depends upon how you communicate with your advisor. You need to communicate about this is what I need. This is what how it works for me. So you need to communicate as well. So,
because in general, TA will be for the semesters which are running during spring or fall. But for summer semesters and all, you
yeah,
will be needing funding and all. So during
yeah,
that
yeah,
time,
yeah.
RA will be very much useful.
Yeah. It has to be there in the contract as well. That needs to be funding throughout the summer. So you need to talk with your advisor to make sure that you are funded during all this off periods.
Yes, yes,
What I meant is off period is spring break, not spring break, winter break and summer break.
yeah. So
Yeah, I was lucky enough to got funding during those times. So,
okay, okay. So you have any qualifier exam after 1 year?
yeah, I have a qualification examination coming on fall.
Okay.
So, so yeah, looking forward for that. So we need
Oh,
to have a committee of five professors here.
okay.
Uh, one would be my advisor, and one
Hmm.
professor has to be from other department.
Okay. Will
So
it be Viva or examination?
depends
Written test.
upon them.
Okay.
It depends upon them. So what I feel, it won't be, since I have published the
Yeah,
three
yeah.
four papers. They won't let me write an exam. So they
Mm-hmm.
will only. That's what I think. So they probably gonna ask me to present my papers,
Mm-hmm.
and they're gonna ask questions. It's more of like a discussion interview, not interview, discussion, viva
Yes, yes.
kind of.
But here we have a qualifier examination. So the number of courses we took here in 1 year of about 12 credits, we need to give a
Yeah,
exam for that.
yeah, I got it.
It's not like that for you?
It's not like that. It's not like that.
It's
It
better,
depends
man.
upon the. It depends upon the advisor. See, I already completed 1.5 years of my PhD,
Hmm.
so it's always better to ask what I did rather than
Yes, yes.
It's like that makes sense when you do PhD.
PhD. Yes, 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 yes.
So if you have published papers, that the
That's a
community has
good
to
thing.
make sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what makes sense for me. It depends upon people. So, I'm not here
So
to argue. I'm just stating my perspective.
yeah, this whole video is about our perspective. It doesn't reflect anyone's. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
fine. Yeah.
yeah.
So how is your like friends and all? Like, how is your life there? Are you going out like during engineering and all? We used to
You
go
you
for beaches and all.
you you asked me to send photos,
Yeah,
so
I saw
you might
that.
have seen for. Yeah, I got it. And Sriraj is also here.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, yes.
Sriraj is one of my common friend.
So he is
He
near
was
you.
his
Now
classmate.
he is near you.
He's a different apartment.
Okay, okay,
So Sriraj, so he's also a friend of ours.
okay. Yeah,
He was
yeah.
his classmate. Our this classmate
Yes,
MPD.
yes, yes, yes,
So, but he did a branch transfer. He came to my department later.
yes, yes,
So he's both of our classmates.
yes, yes.
So he also came this January.
He is in photo with a cake.
Yeah, his
So
birthday. It
in
was
my
his
intros
birthday.
video, I have kept that video.
It was his birthday on January. Sorry, June 1st. So
Okay.
we had a small cake cutting. That's it. Nothing else. Yeah, I got a couple of good friends,
Mm-hmm.
especially international, native. I mean, Indian. Oh
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's good. So when you are in US, you are away from your country. That means you got to meet a lot of people around.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I got to meet people from Sudan, Malaysia, Japan, Paraguay, and then US. Yeah, US people. Yeah, you have seen all those photos. Like, I think I have covered. I have actually I sent those photos, keeping all those things are covered. People from China.
Yeah, in that I saw some photos were like graduation day or something. I
Yeah, it
saw.
was a grad. It was grad walk last
Okay.
couple of months before. So
So they are
some
your
photos were taken.
juniors or like master students?
They're all not juniors. They're all friends, master students.
Okay, okay.
So they called me for the grad walk. So
Mm-hmm.
it was a good it was a new experience for me. Grad walk here in the US. We had graduation ceremony. We had one back in
Yes, yes,
Chennai,
yes, yes.
but I didn't know how it works here. So they invited me over. Yeah,
How is it
it was a
different
good
from
feeling.
Indian universities?
It's a grand work.
Yes, man,
And I would
obviously.
say there are some things which, if I say, which create controversies. I really don't want to bring out those things.
Okay.
Maybe that's what maybe that's because of the cultural difference.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know. I don't know how to state that, but here it's a grandeur function.
Okay.
I really like it. Our function wasn't. That doesn't mean our function was bad. It was its own charm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has its own charm. So
Yeah.
let me be more diplomatic.
It's better. So I have seen one more photo of yours, like you are shaking hand with some robot or something like that. What's that?
That's just a funny photo. So it wasn't. It was not our. It was not our property. It was someone's property which kept in our lab. So we were shifting our lab to a new block, new unit, new room. So they were all taking off those things. I mean, those robots. So Before that robot goes
Yeah.
up, I just said, okay, let's do some photo shoot with the robot.
Actually, I thought of keeping this for this video's thumbnail. Then I thought, let's keep one more photo of which you are sitting near a tree on a bench. That looks
Yeah,
great, actually.
that's sort of like the spring look. So it was spring. So
Yeah,
since
yeah.
Sriraj is here, I could force him to take photos.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, to the viewers, I want to say that he was the photographer of our triple ITDM. He, Nikhil, like these two, three guys. I think Gautam Manoj.
Gautam.
Yeah,
Gautam.
yeah, yeah. Now also,
Yeah, still,
I have seen
I
some
still have.
photos. You are
There's a,
holding this camera and all.
yeah, there are. I don't know. I cannot show right now. So let me take this off. Since you said I'm a photographer, I want to show viewers that I really do photography. So this is what I took.
Oh
So
man, good scenery. You can
I
keep
guess
near to the camera. Yeah,
is it visible?
yeah, it's visible. It's a lake, I think. Lake
Yeah, it's a
and
lake.
a tree. Yeah.
Yeah, so I just framed it and kept it on
Oh, this
my
is
phone.
wood. Wood.
So I feel okay. It's a wood frame. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I thought, okay, let me. I'll do something which makes me more happier rather than just doing research always.
Yeah.
So,
I think when we went to this Besant beach, you remember this?
yeah, I remember that. I still have those
So,
photos.
yeah, so at that time you were just holding the camera and you were like you're enjoying with us, but most of the time you are holding the camera, you're taking very nice scenes and all.
Yeah, yeah, I got a couple of photos there as well.
Yeah,
And we have to enjoy this place, right? Rather than just carrying camera. I mean, yeah, you have to leave the moment. So
yes,
leave the
yes,
moment as well as take a couple of photos there.
yes, yes, yes.
Memories.
Actually, whenever I feel bored now, I open my Google Drive, then I go to the photos.
No,
I see
no,
these photos.
actually, I stopped doing that. I used to do that, which actually makes me sad because it actually brings me the memory. So I said, okay, don't do that. Leave in the moment. Leave in this moment. Leave in this
Mhm.
moment. So that's what I'm grateful to got a couple of friends here. So they're
Mhm.
all so weekends we go out,
Mhm.
we go to eat. Yeah, play badminton. Nice.
Mhm.
Things are all going so far good.
Yeah. Yeah. So coming back to this PhD thing, so like, what is the duration of this PhD program?
So, I think this is a question. So, who's seen Fight Club? So, it's a dialogue. The first rule of Fight Club is don't speak about Fight Club. So, this is the first rule. The first rule in asking questions to a PhD student should not ask them how long it will take.
Yeah, I understand
so,
it.
so since you're doing PhD, you might not know it by now. So, it all depends. So, I don't know. Probably 5-6 years. I'm not sure how it goes, but we got a requirement here.
Mhm.
At least 4 research papers, conference papers,
Mhm.
and at least 2 journal papers.
Okay. So
One
that's the
journal,
requirement
one
for PhD completion.
from our team. That's our
Okay.
advisors. There's nothing
Mhm.
for the university. That's my advisors. Uh, what to say?
Mhm.
That's what advisor said. So one has to be accepted, and one has to be submitted during the time of defense.
Okay.
I mean, I'm talking about journal. So I'm working on my journal.
Mhm.
Let's see how that goes.
So, how many members are working under your professor, like your colleagues, or like in
Right
same
now,
project, something like that?
not project, different projects. Right now, 6, including me,
Mhm.
including me and Sriraj, 6 students.
So, you and Siraj are under the same professor there?
Yeah, we are on the same project.
Man, I don't know this. Otherwise, I have also invited him. You two guys have like you can call him if he's free. He can join us. We can just pass for
He's in
some
a
time.
different, he's in a different block.
Seriously, man. Sorry, man. I don't know that. I thought to make one more video with him. I don't know that he is working under the same professor.
He just came. I mean, he started with you. I mean, you started in February. He started in January. That's only difference.
Okay, the same
So
procedure which you followed.
yeah. Under the same process, under the same lab.
Mm-hmm. It's good, man. If you find someone from
Nice.
our bachelor's or masters, like we'll be like chill. It will be good.
It feels good. At least I can. I mean, so PhD is not an easy thing, you know that. It
Yeah,
comes
yes,
a
yes.
lot of pressure from the advisor, a lot of stress. So he's the person I go and lash out, and he knows the situations of mine
Hmm.
as well as what real work's going on. So he can easily understand what I'm really talking about. So
Yes, yes, yes.
it's good. There's a person to be there for lash out. So he's a cool person, so you don't care about
Yeah,
if
I
I lash out
know.
or not.
Actually, I remember like most of the not to say like this Malayalis from our triple IT DM are going for PhD. I guess Sultana has gone
Yeah,
to PhD. Siraj, you, I think Anish is going for MS. I think in Canada.
yeah,
Uh,
masters. Yeah,
yes, yes, yes. A lot of guys.
Eva is also Eva is also looking for masters.
Okay,
England, UK, I guess.
okay, okay.
Happens. I think it happens.
Yeah,
Nothing,
yeah.
nothing was planned. Just happened.
Yes, yes, yes. Mine was same, like similar case, but mine I was trying a lot. I was searching for
Yeah, yeah.
universities and all. Like I
You were,
was
you were,
searching
you were,
for past 1 year before coming here. I was
yeah, you
searching.
were searching.
Yes, yes,
You were doing lot of pre works,
yes, yes,
which
yes,
I haven't done. For me, it was just an email and
yes, yes,
works
yes.
related to that. So
You remember
I mean, I'm grateful for that.
I used to say regarding this lot of universities in UK and all. I have applied there, how to
Yeah,
do and all. Yeah.
there. Yeah, yeah. I
So,
don't know how UK things works. I'm all
mm-hmm,
talking about US things.
mm-hmm,
So, but to add few things for the previous points, you need to have a reference letters from your advisors or the people where you work.
mm-hmm.
Also, a good statement of purpose,
Yes, yes, yes.
which really means a lot when you apply for PhD or PhD in US universities, because they're not having any prior knowledge about you, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
To an extent, your CGPA will help. To an
Mm-hmm.
extent,
Yes, yes.
but if you have a good plan of study, I mean, not plan of study, sorry, statement of purpose,
Mm-hmm.
it talks a lot.
So,
It speaks a lot.
to this point, like, how do you give weightage to this reference letter and SOP? Like, I feel that both should be more important because,
Yeah,
like,
both should be more important. When you apply for PhD, both are important.
yes, yes, yes.
For sure, our professor would say good things about you, isn't it? If you have good terms with your professors, so they're gonna give you a good reference letters. But SOP is on you. You have to write your SOP, and it should be genuine as well.
Mm-hmm.
We can't make up a SOP.
Yes,
That's what
yes,
I
yes.
think. I don't know whether you can make
Yes,
up
yes, yes,
SOP,
yes, yes.
but state of purpose has to be come from the heart. That's what I always say when I talk with. Even I told you the same thing. It has to be
Yes,
genuine. It has to be.
yes, yes.
It should feel your passion in the SOP. That's what
It should be in
SOP
our
says.
general words. It shouldn't be like you have copied from the internet.
Yeah,
A lot of students do this
yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah. Yeah. You can get inspirations from internet,
Yes,
but
yes, yes.
you cannot copy the words. It has to be from your heart. It has to be genuinely your words. Just see, those papers are reviewed by someone who don't have any knowledge about you.
Yes, yes, yes.
So you are making your first impression. That's your first impression. So you have to make it the best. That's
Yes,
what
yes.
I suggest to people who apply for peace.
So, what is your like future goals and all? Like, are you planning for postdoc?
So a lot of things are going on since right now I have a PhD to finish. So my time goes for that.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I have some plans, not plans. I don't know. These are all like, or like what to say. If not
These
this,
things doesn't go
if not
in
the,
plan. Yeah.
yeah, if not this. So we don't know what really happening in the next 5-10 years.
Mm-hmm.
We don't know whether we have another pandemic coming on. Hopefully not. So the world is it's it's completely no, it's unpredictable. We can't just uh, we could keep something saying okay I can do this thing, but it's completely unpredictable. We can't really say okay I'm gonna do this after this. So
Mm-hmm.
what few plans I want to do, or I know only I want to do research.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the only thing in my head. Do research. So
Mm-hmm.
in what form? It's a question mark still. Uh, maybe MNCs, if companies like my work, if they want me to be there work for them, yeah, I will accept the offer. But let's see how things goes. I don't have any what to say. I like to travel as well, so who knows what comes next.
Yeah. So coming to your university
Travel
and
and
all,
photos.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how is your university there? How is their research going on? So what do
So
you suggest for the
research.
students coming there?
So Wichita State University is more. It's a public university. So Wichita is called the air capital of the world. Air
Yeah, yeah, I have
capital
seen
of
this
the
in the
world.
website actually, aeronautics. It's in top
Uh, uh,
ranking in aeronautics, I think.
so our university is competing with MIT for aerospace
Yes,
department.
yes, yes, yes.
It got a lot of funding. It got a lot of projects from US Air Force, and it's like top notch for aerospace.
Hmm.
So yeah, so they got a wind tunnel, all those things
Okay.
for the setup. So yeah, it's a top university in engineering in Kansas State as well.
Hmm.
I don't know about the QS ranking of the university. I don't really follow all those things. So I only care about my research,
Yes, yes, yes.
whether I'm getting the facility, to do the research, where I am publishing the papers. So far, papers are publishing very good conferences.
Hmm.
So that's what I rate. So when you look at all those things, going well, going good. Got a good team of School of Computing professors.
Hmm.
I mean, that's a department where I am from, School of Computing. It includes all this computer science stuff, computer networking stuff. It's going well. Yeah. So, and it is one of the uh, uh, affordable place to stay, Wichita.
Okay.
So when it comes to whole US, you have things which you have things, but it's affordable place.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want to do research in an affordable place, you're welcome.
Come to Kansas.
Yeah, come to Kansas.
So is it near to New York or like
And
which is the famous place near to this?
no.
Okay.
Oklahoma City is the
Yeah,
nearest place.
okay.
Kansas City is close. Sorry. And when you travel 5 hours down, Texas.
Hmm.
So then Colorado. Yeah. In New York and California are the extremes. So I'm at the Midwest.
Hmm.
So the whole region is called Midwest.
Okay.
So like mid
Okay.
of all the US. So it's like when it is winter, it's very cold,
Hmm.
and when it is summer, it's gonna be very hot.
Okay.
So that's for the Midwest.
Okay.
They have both the climate.
It's good, man.
It won't be
Yeah, it's better, I think.
okay. Depends.
Because see, if you stay in Dubai, you will be spending almost 8 to 9 months in hot or summer, almost.
Yeah.
So like
Yeah.
3 4 months will be normal cold. It won't be so cold. Yeah, I feel that India's climate is best in climate aspect. But when you go to
So
Canada and all, like it will be very cold there. Like out of
it's
whole year, like 8 to 9 months, it will be cold. But yours thing is
very cold.
like better, I think. Half this, half that.
Yeah. Yeah, that so far it's better. Once you have something to transport, transportation is like the okay, I should not use the words. So the transportation is really bad here.
Okay.
So
The same thing applies
that's
here, man. I don't know because of COVID or like I didn't come before COVID. I don't know about that thing. But at
yeah.
present, there is no proper public transport, and the frequency of the buses will be for about 1 hour. If you miss the 5 o'clock bus, you have to stay till 6 o'clock. So if you miss 6 o'clock, you have to
Okay.
stay till 7 o'clock. So most probably, I'm also planning to buy a car, like same like yours.
Yeah.
Mostly,
You're staying on campus, right?
presently I'm staying on campus. Mostly, I will be moving out
Yeah, we talked.
in 1 month.
We talked about. We talked. I remember we are talking about accommodation as well. I'm recommending you to stay out. Don't stay in on
Yes, yes,
campus.
man. Yes,
Yeah,
man.
I remember. I remember saying that. It's a completely different dynamics of staying on campus and off
Because
campus.
on campus, I don't know about yours. Here it's too costly here. Like half of your stipend will go in, like may not be half of 40% of your stipend will go in the accommodation, dorm fees and all, and you have to
Off
pay
off
for
campus.
no on campus.
Off campus.
On campus.
That's the same thing. That same thing. It's costly staying in on campus.
Yeah.
That's why I stepped out. That's why I went for a different
The thing
path.
is that on campus we will have all the facilities. We'll have laundry, fridge, like everything. But we cannot spend that much amount here. I feel that we have to stay out,
Yeah,
and like some of my colleagues have moved out, and they are searching for
yeah, yeah.
dorms and all for me also. So most probably by next month I may be moving on.
Okay. Try to find a place closer by so that you can come.
Yeah. So how is your
A lab or
license and like car cost and all that?
so. I took the license after 6 months, I guess. Yeah, I got my license on last November, not 6 months. I
Okay.
took almost 10 months. So it's more over like India. There's a learner's test,
Okay.
which is computer based. We have to go there and do the
Mm-hmm.
test.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, computer test, and you will have a 1 year to get your driving license. So
Mm-hmm.
most of the cars here are automatic,
Yeah, same here.
almost 99.9, and it's on the left side. So left side drive.
Yeah, left side
On the
only.
right, but not the right side, right? So
Yes, yes.
my friends helped me to just one of my friend, Luke, he's an American. He helped me with his car. Just,
Mm-hmm.
just he sat beside and he gave me a what to say? He gave me a practice.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, that's how it was pretty simple. So then one of my friends said, okay, there's one of my friend, his friend is selling the car. So that's how we get the things. We have to be connected. We have to be connected with people.
Yes,
So
yes.
we won't be getting information from direct person. So information will pass from B to C, then it will come to C to B, then it will come to B to A.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
we have to be connected with people to get. That's how when you're in a different country, that's how you get your things done.
We should have a lot
So
of contacts. We shouldn't be
yeah, you
staying
need to
in a
have.
room.
Yeah.
We
So
should
that's
move
how
out.
I got my car. So one of my friend, he was selling his car. He said, "Why don't you look at the car? It's a pretty good car." I
Mm-hmm.
went just and yeah, I got it. It was pretty kind of affordable for me at that time, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that's how. So when you buy the car, you need to have a lot of things to be taken care of. You need to have an insurance. You need to get a tag. Once all those things are sorted out, yeah, we can just drive the car,
Mm-hmm.
and you need to fill that fuel as well.
Anyway, we are staying for like more than 4 years. I guess car will be a better option to like we cannot
It's
depend
a
whole.
secondary option. It's a secondary thing. So when if you're going to PhD, don't think about getting a car in the next day. So it's a
Yeah.
secondary thing. You're not here to doing getting a car. If it's a necessary, get it. That's it.
Yes, 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 yes.
If it's not necessary, you can do your things with the cycle as well.
Yeah, yeah. Like
So it
it
depends upon
depends
the
on the
place you live.
places. Yeah, it depends on the places
Yeah,
where
so
we
it
are
depends upon
staying
the
and.
place you live. Yeah. Sultana, she's at Dublin for last 3 years. Right now, she's doing PhD in Dublin. Yeah. They got a good transportation system.
Okay.
She's staying off campus. She
Mm-hmm.
don't need a car there. So it depends upon the place where you stay, and depends upon all those things. So I'm
Yes.
just giving an example out.
Yes, yes, yes,
There are
yes.
people. There are people out there doing PhD
Mm-hmm.
who is senior to us, even don't have a car. So just keeping all the.
It's nothing like a proud moment or something. It's just a necessity.
It's a necessity.
Yes, that's it.
You are nothing. You are nothing to feel proud about it. Even
Yes, yes.
when I got the cover, I got like, okay, this is necessary. This is like more or like a getting a necessary things done here in the place where I stay.
Yes, yes, yes. Like
So
in India and all, we usually buy a bike or cycle to travel and all. It's like similar to that thing.
yeah. So it's pretty common here in US. So
Mm-hmm.
you don't it's nothing for getting so excited for. Other than you're getting a brand new car. That's something of excitement. These are all
Maybe after
used.
PhD.
Let's see.
Yeah,
Okay.
man. I think it's 9 o'clock now here in Dubai.
Yeah. Okay.
So to end this video, we can talk like this for 3 4 hours. That's not a thing.
We can talk like who are
And
hearing this. We can talk this for like
whole
we
night we
have a
can
lot of
speak.
things to talk. We can speak all night.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's been
So
it's been like I think we have texted only. We haven't We
Yeah,
spoke
man.
like
Like
1 year
it's
before.
yeah, we
No,
were
not
all
1 year. 6 months.
yeah, we were
We
texting
are
actually.
always in the
Yeah, yeah.
we are in the loop. Yeah.
Hmm. But meeting like it's been I think 1.5 year I think after 2019 we haven't met.
Yeah, yeah.
Not
It's
even
like
like
the same.
virtually.
Not even actually.
Yes, yes,
It's,
yes,
I
yes.
think most of us the same, right? So even
Yeah,
because the
man.
pandemic came, yeah,
Yes, man.
we have met. Yeah, we have met at the convocation. I mean,
Yes,
July
yes. That's the last time we have met. I think. Yeah.
in person.
Yes, yes,
And you
yes.
know something? After that, Triple DM haven't hosted a graduation ceremony in person. So
Yes,
we
yes,
are
yes,
the
yes.
last batch.
It's because of COVID. They like I
COVID,
think
yeah,
last year they have done this virtually. I think. I think.
yeah, yeah. Because of COVID,
Yes, 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 yes,
nothing.
yes. Normally
We are the
they do.
we are we are still that elite class.
We are the lucky persons.
We are the lucky people. Yeah,
You remember this in triple IT, this dual degree started from our batch only, not from seniors.
yeah. And I heard it stopped us. They
Stop?
stopped the. Yeah,
I don't know. And this
I
smart
heard so.
manufacturing
I'm
and
not sure.
all, they took they this smart manufacturing courses came after like for our
Yeah,
juniors, I guess.
yeah. I heard it like they stopped that whole program. I don't know why, but
I don't know. It's good only. It's not like very bad thing because see, we are getting like for last 1 year we were doing projects, we were in internship and all. Like it's like we were into the work, not like only academic studying and all.
it helped me to get the PhD.
Yes, yes, yes. Seriously, same thing applies for me also. I worked in HAL, like Hindustan Aeronautics
Yeah,
Limited.
yeah, 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 yeah.
So that experience matters me a lot. My resume, in my resume, that things will be highlighting. So he worked in
That's a
HAL.
stands out thing. Yeah, the work you did will be the stands out. Nobody
Yes,
knows
yes,
it.
yes, yes.
What's what matters, but what you did really matters.
Yes, 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 yes. We are not like I personally I am not like 9 pointer or like 9 point something like that.
We
I am
are
like
we are not in that.
average.
We are not in that. Yeah.
I don't know about yours.
I'm not 9 point.
Yeah, normally
Seriously, I'm not 9 point.
no computer science students will be like in our batch. Computer science students are toppers. They will be having
I
8.5
happens.
above 8.9, 9.2.
I would say I'm between 8 and 8.5. So fair enough.
That's great. You are with us.
Yeah, fair enough.
Hmm.
Yeah,
So I
that's what.
think for this video,
Yeah.
we'll take a last question. So, what advice will you give for the upcoming students, like who are coming for this university or USA universities or any abroad universities? You feel a
So
good advice for them?
I think seriously, I'm not the right person to give an advice. We are all the same phase. So
But you can share
I'm
your
not giving.
experiences.
Yeah, I can only uh, tell from my perspective what I really felt. So applying for masters and PhD is completely different. So masters has its own dynamics, PhD has its own dynamics. So whenever you apply, make sure your program is funded. PhD, especially PhD.
Hmm.
There's no point. So I believe there is no point in doing PhD by paying the fee.
Yes, yes, yes.
It
It
has
should
to
be
be done.
clear before
So research.
coming here.
So and the only advice I give, talk to your advisor, communicate to your advisor, which I am still lacks a bit.
Hmm.
But work related, I'm fine.
Hmm.
I communicate about my work stuff.
Hmm.
Communicate with all other stuff. If there are any problem in the lab, talk
Hmm.
about it. So communicate with your advisor. Make sure your things are all checked rather than just keeping pressure on you, stress on you. You need to have a good atmosphere to do the research. PhD, not an PhD, I would say it's not an easy task. It's a time-consuming task, and you
Hmm.
need peace of mind. By now, you would have understand all those things,
Yes,
right?
man. Yes, man.
You need peace of mind. So make sure you would have good communication with the advisor. That's it.
Yes, yes, yes. I feel that there
That's
should
everything.
be no negative thoughts person near you. When you are doing some PhD, there shouldn't be some person who will be knocking you, who will be saying that you cannot do this, you cannot do that. Usually happens.
It cannot be avoidable. I think that's what I think. There
Yeah, it's
should
not
be.
avoidable. We should be able to handle that thing. That's the thing I
You should be
understood.
able to handle it. That I'm going through that process.
Yeah, I think
Like,
every
let's say I'm
PhD
going through
student
that process.
goes through it. Every PhD student, some way
Yeah,
or the
yeah.
other, he goes through
We
that.
can't run away from all those things.
Yes,
It's
yes, yes,
part of
yes.
life. So face it.
Yeah, main thing is that we should focus on our work, what we are doing, and just like we should not.
Maintain a group.
Yes.
Maintain a group. Good set of
Mm-hmm.
people who can discuss about the work.
Yes, yes,
I'm
yes.
lucky enough to have some people around to discuss about my work.
Mm-hmm.
Sriraj, Akash is another lab mate. So Ali is from Saudi. So
He's from
Saudi.
Saudi. Okay.
Ali, his name is Ali. So he's
Mm-hmm.
almost at his final semester. So we could discuss about our work here. We all
Mm-hmm.
discuss about our work in the lab. So
Mm-hmm.
a lot of inputs comes from them. So you need to have a good group of people who understand.
Yeah, okay. So the viewers, Anup has given his advice or suggestion or something. I don't know his experiences.
Not advice. It's experiences, not
So
not
experiences.
advice.
So I say that these videos I am making, like it's not like we are something great or something like that. It's like we are sharing our experiences, because I have gone through that stage when I was applying for PhD and all. I was knowing nothing. I was searching in YouTube and all, so that I get some advice from someone. So the main purpose of making these videos is that the thing. So
That's really great, Adik. I faced all this problem. I didn't get a proper guidance, so I reached out people through LinkedIn. So that's how I learned.
yeah,
So
yeah.
there are people who won't be doing that. So
Mhm.
it's really helpful. At least people who think about PhD can hear all these things. At least from the US perspective, I could talk. I
Yes,
heard
yes.
what you
What
talked
Anup
about
is
Prithvi
saying
as well.
has really helped me, because when I was searching or like applying for university, he guided me to search for someone who is in LinkedIn. Then I was having LinkedIn, but I was not using it. So then I started connecting with the people who are at this university. Then I got some guidance. So there may be some people who will not reply you at all. There may be some people who
Yeah,
will reply you in some day, like 1 or 2 days. So you have to
yeah,
just
yeah,
contact them.
yeah.
So just message them. So you feel. So if you are lucky, you will get some guidance from them. So after coming here, there is one guy who I contacted in India itself. So now also he's in contact with
Okay.
me. So it's good if you
Yeah,
get. It's good. I think
yeah.
in
Even
US it's also
I have
same
that
thing.
kind of same thing. Same thing. I'm still in touch.
Yes, 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 yes. So I hope this is the end of our video recording. So hope you guys like this video. So if you have liked this video, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you for having me, Adik.
Okay.
You're still in the loop outside of this video.
Yeah. So I will stop the recording.